Hi everyone, I am Deepa Thakur. In this session, we are going to learn Introduction to Multidimensional Array. So let's get started. First I will define the multidimensional array. Then I will define the syntax of multidimensional array. And let's first define multidimensional array. What is multidimensional array? Multidimensional array can be defined as an array of arrays. You can think of multidimensional array as the combination of multiple arrays. Apart from this, the general form of declaring n-dimensional array is as follows. You have to specify the data type, then the number of array, and then the square bracket. Inside this square bracket, you could define the sizes. Here number of size, that is number of elements. Like for example, suppose I want to declare two-dimensional array. Then it should look like this. Int a square bracket. You have specified the data type, then the name, and then this sizes. If I want to declare the three-dimensional array, then it should look like this. Data type, name of array, and sizes. And for four-dimensional array, you have to specify one more size here. Then we will discuss about this in our upcoming lecture, the two-dimensional array and three-dimensional array. What is two-dimensional array and what is three-dimensional array? Okay, now I will discuss the syntax now. What is the syntax? Of multidimensional array? So, syntax of multidimensional array. Size of multidimensional array can be calculated by multiplying the size of all the dimensional. You can calculate the size of multidimensional array by multiplying the size of all the dimensional. Like for example, here. Suppose I want to calculate the size of this particular array. Then I just have to multiply these two sizes. That is the number of element. It give me 200. 10 into 20, that is 200, which is the total number of elements it can contain, but I want to know the size in bytes. Then I have to multiply 200 by 4. It give me 800 bytes. That what is 4? What is 4 here? 4 means the size of one element. 4 here depends upon the size of one element. So that is which I am specifying 4 here. Multiply 4 by total number of elements. It gives here 200 as the total size, which is 800 bytes. Now suppose I want to calculate the size of particular array. Then I have to multiply here three-dimensional array, in that all the three sizes, and it give me 4 into 10 into 20, that is 800, the total number of elements. Here size means the number of elements. Always remember that I want to determine the size of bytes. Then I have to multiply 800 into 4, which means 3200 bytes. Here I multiply 800 by 4, because I am assuming the size of one integer in my machine. Is 4 bytes, and it can be anything, depend from machine to machine. And please note down that we can store up to 200 elements in this array, and we can store up to 800 elements in this array. Now, the question that immediately arises is that why we are multiplying this size, why we are multiplying the size, why we are not performing any other operation. That I will discuss you in my upcoming lecture, that is two-dimensional array. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you have any queries, comment, please write me in my comment section. If you like the video, please click on like button and share the video with your friends. For other topics, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so you get notification whenever I upload my new video. Thank you guys for watching my video. Have a good day.